Check in, people. I'm going to look about some oats for Mr. Francis. And I'm using the Jamaica Oats. It's a big one. I opened it a while ago and I noticed that it comes in two. I didn't know that they separate it now. It comes in two. Look at this, people. Two. I was shocked. Hey. Oh, may I tell you. Lord, see there? Made in Jamaica. Oats. You know, so me I never want to pick this or I want big man. People tell me in the comment section because anybody who remember this oats from Jamaica, put in the comment section, the people, because I always wonder from a young if it's a little boy this or a big man. I'm not sure. Me not sure at all. People tell me in the comment section there. Anyway, Mr. Francis wants some oats porridge, so I'm going to make some for him. I put 4 cups of water in the pot. And now, as I'm weak, people are weak like a rat, are tired, they just come from work, but Mr. Francis want porridge, so I have to make porridge, Mr. Francis. I'm trying to measure it for you guys. Trying to measure it for you. I'm going to use 3 cups of oats. Overseas people call it oatmeal. We call it oats. So I'm going to use 3 cups. And I already put 4 cups of water in there. I'm going to try to be precise as possible. Although oats, it depends how thick you want it. So, normally I soak my oats in water. So I'm going to get some water on this. Alright, let me mix it round. I put 3 cups of oats in this. And then I fill it with water. 4 cups. I put it to the 4 cups. The mark that said 4 cups, I put it there. So 3 cups of oats. And I fill it with water to 4 cups. And I already put 4 cups of water in the pot. I'm going to put some cinnamon leaves in the pot. And let it boil in it. When it boils up and I smell it, I'm going to take it out because it's going to stuck to the pot bottom. And I don't want it to stuck. So, and then I'm going to put a little salt. So the water is boiling. As soon as it boils, like maybe about 2 minutes, I'm going to take out the cinnamon leaf and then I put in my oats. So stick and stay with me, people. Welcome back, people. Let me show you in the pot. You saw the cinnamon leaf, the water boiling up with the cinnamon leaf. I'm going to take it out now and then I put in the oats. Alright, people, you see the oats? You saw it swell, I normally soak it a little. That is it. I'm going to put it in the pot now. And you stir. People with oats porridge, cornmeal porridge, any porridge, you know you have to keep stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy. So you have to keep stirring. And then when you stir, when it start to, the water start to boil up, then you know how thick you want it. You can pour a little water in it, or if you want to just keep it like that, because when I'm going to sweeten it, I'm going to put liquid in it. So as soon as it boil up and I see how thick it is, then I decide if I'm going to put water in it. But you got to keep on stirring it. You have to keep an eye on your oats because it's easy to boil over. Every porridge still like that. Don't Francis love boil over.
Camila boil over.
Camila boil over. You go plop, 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 plop. Yes, people, Camila boil over. Francis say Camila boil over. Go plop, 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 plop. Yep. I can feel it. When it's getting thicker, you feel the spoon. It's harder to turn the oatmeal. Yeah, it's harder to turn it. That's when you know it's getting thicker. It's not free. And oatmeal, it doesn't take long to cook at all. But because I'm making it into a porridge, yeah. See? It's getting thicker. Yes, that's how we Jamaican boil oatmeal porridge. We call it oats porridge. See, people, look on that. Look how it gets slimy. Yes, that's it. Looking at the pot, people. See it? You saw how thick it is? I'm going to put some evap milk in it now. I'm going to pour a cup of evap milk in it. And you stir. I put the evaporated milk in it already. I'm going to sweeten to taste. I'm going to put some condensed milk in it. That's sweetened milk. And I'm going to put a little sugar. I normally put a little sugar in my oatmeal or porridge or whatever. A lot of people don't do it. But to me, when you put milk in porridge alone, it tastes too flat. So I put a little sugar in to bring up the taste. And then I tip a little salt in it to wake up the milk. You can't say wake up the milk. I always use that term. Wake up the milk. But Mr. Francis loves source of milk, but me not like using source of milk at all.
You don't drink oats porridge.
It no matter me, I make it.
So how you do it, how you like it.
And when me mix it, you love it.
Yeah, but me think I do it the way me like it.
When me make it for you, you don't love it. And you want to eat all the basin. You hear that, people? Him think me I gonna make it the way him love it. And when me make it, you know, all the basin you want to eat. Just a little more milk and we're good. Remember, people, sweeten to taste. It's not everybody like sweet. And it depends on how thick you want it. Then I'm going to put some vanilla in it. Also, vanilla, it goes in according to how you want it. I'm going to do a tablespoon of vanilla. If you want more, you put it in. Turn down your flame. I'm going to put some nutmeg. You put a card in. It's not everybody like nutmeg. But I like it because it's spicy. Some people also use almond spice in their porridge. But I just use vanilla and nutmeg. So people, remember, you sweeten to taste. And the thickness of it, you can put a little more water in it. Or you can put some more evap milk in it. It's up to you. I used 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I tasted it needed a little more. So I'm going to use another tablespoon. So that's 2 tablespoons. And people, I didn't have to put any more salt in it because you remember I already put some salt from the beginning. So the consistency was just right. Look in the pot. Look at that, people. Our oatmeal porridge done. You want to smell it? Look at that, people. That's how thick Mr. Francis wants it. Because he eats it with bread, crackers and everything. So it done. I'm gonna put some in a bowl so you can see it. Stick and stay with me, people. Alright, people, see the finish this year. I don't know if you can see it, Mr. Francis. Put some crackers in it. Alright. So Francis, I can't even wait. Look at Francis. How it tastes, Francis?
Not bad, not bad. Not bad.
What do you mean not bad? It tastes good. But not bad. No hide your conscience.
Not bad.
Ah. You're going to say that because me not do it your way. Tastes good. Now eat the plate. It tastes good.
And taste it.
You hear that, people? Mr. Francis said, not bad, not bad. Mm-hmm. No, not bad, so you eat it so fast. Mm-hmm. Hot. People that don't drink oats porridge, I will taste it.
I taste it.
I taste it when I make it. I like oat in bars, like the oat bar and all of that. I like to eat raw oats. If you understand what I mean. I don't really like it when it make porridge or anything like that. So people, you see that pot of porridge that I made? Francis is gonna have it every morning. He's gonna put them in dish. And every morning he's gonna have it until it finishes. So when I make porridge for him, that's how he does it. Whether oatmeal, banana, cornmeal, whatever. That's how he does it. See? He's going on the table to sit down.
Bye.
But anyway, people, just came in from work. Mr. Francis wants some oatmeal porridge. I did it for him. You see how I did it? You can try it if you like it and see and let me know how it goes. So, that is it from the Francis. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. That is it. We are out from the Francis. People, look for Mr. Francis with the pot. After I just done drink the bowl of porridge, Mr. Francis go for the pot. Jesus Christ, Francis. I thought to say it was just alright. Hey, I thought to call just alright and you eat all the pot. In front of him can't even talk, people.
So long me away from it. If I last week, me ask you it, you know, you just come up with it, you know. If me never cuss this man, he wouldn't get it.
You never had cause this morning. People as 5 o'clock come. Sharon, me will get the porridge this morning. Me say when me come from work, me make it for you. Look at Francis. Don't tell me, Francis. Left part of the pot, no man. Yeah, how much bowl you take out, babes? How much you have? How much morning now? 3 morning or 4 morning? 3.
Can I give you one?
Oh my God. Can I give you one? No, man. No, stop, Francis. Look how pot clean, people. Look there. Look how Francis are though. Let me see the pot, Francis. People are so behave when we make oats porridge. So behave because we make oats porridge different from everybody else. Me spice it up. Yep. And me use evaporated milk, me use condensed milk, and me use sugar. See him gone? Him said thank you. All right, people. That is it.